Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a personal color analysis graphic using Pipid AI. So Pipid AI is an AI creative platform or AI tools that can help you generate or create any AI content like maybe AI talking photo, short drama agent, avatar videos, product showcase, and many more. And in here, we will use this tool to turn your photo into a personal color analysis graphic. And if you want to try this tool, you can just check the link in the description or pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pipid AI like this. You will see the home page like this. And then after that, just go to Image Studio, tap on AI Designs, and then after that, just upload the photo that you want to turn. For example, like this. And then after that, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, or if you want to make or create your own prompt, just create your prompt. And then next, just choose your AI model in here, and then just choose your ratio, choose your resolutions, and after that, just click submit like this. And okay, like this, you will get the results like this. And okay, I think the results can help you to find your personal color. Like if you want to found the found your personal color, you can just try to use this trick. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.